everyone, and welcome back again to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time stopping by, my name is Z, and on this channel I do everything from hair care to skincare to road vlogs. And also, as a lawyer, I like to reel out a few tips that might be able to keep you out of trouble. Now, I get asked here and again, Z, what is your skincare routine? What are the things you use for your skin? And like I tell everyone, I'm someone who is a sucker for things that are very affordable and things that I can always find in the market. Those are the two things I look out for whenever I'm sourcing for any skincare products for myself, because I do not want a situation where if I am broke or I am out of cash, I do not look good. Two, if it's not in the market, I'm stranded. Now, I don't like to let my skin get addicted to a certain product to the extent where without it, I have breakouts and every other thing. That is why I don't use products that are bound to have such effects on my skin. I use on my face. You might be wondering what's that in the red nylon. Well, I'll be sure to disclose that to you pretty soon. Now let's get into the very first thing I like to use on my skin that isn't here is the aloe vera plant that I have outside, just because I didn't want to waste it. I didn't want to plug out one and just show you without having to use it. So the aloe vera plant is one of the holy grails that I can never do without. There isn't any week or a month, there isn't any month that passes by that I do not do the aloe vera treatment on my face. And what's the aloe vera treatment? I try to leave aloe vera on my face overnight and go to bed. That is one treatment I try to do at least once a month on my face, and I love the effect of aloe vera on my skin. So that's one product and I can never do without. I'll go from the natural products to the other one you can source in supermarkets. So you might be wondering what's inside this bag. Now, this is the African clay. I do not use the other one. I try to use this African clay that I can always source for, and it's quite affordable. So I've had this bunch for a while now, and this is what the African clay looks like. It is affordable. You can get it anywhere, and I love the effect it has on my skin. It helps to remove impurities, clarifies my skin, and just leaves me good and shiny. So for a bunch of 500 naira, could last me for a very long period of time. I can't remember how much I got this, but I know that this at the time was not up to 1,000 naira or 1,005. So I like to have this in store all the time. So this is what it looks like inside here. So this is what it looks like inside here. So I just take a piece, melt it out, and I use it on my skin. The next product I like to use on my skin is the honey. The next natural product I like to use on my skin is honey. This is honey, pure honey. So you get this from stores, and just try to get trusted brands. There are various ways on the internet to dictate which honey is nice and which is not. So the next product I love to use on my face is this Boots traditional skincare glycerin and rose water. It acts and serves as my toner for the most part. So you see, I'm almost out. It acts and serves as my toner for the most part. The next thing I like to use on my face is the vitamin C face serum. It is a brightening and an anti-aging face serum that contains hyaluronic acid. I love to use this product. I think I've reviewed this on this channel before. See, I'm almost out on it. And maybe I might try another vitamin C brand from another brand, because I like to try out stuff. And this is good, but I would like to try out some other vitamin C serum. So if there's anyone you use and you loved it, let me know in the comment section. And I got this for around 3,000 or 4,000 something. I got it off Jumia. I can't remember. This, yeah, I got it for that amount. For this, I got it for, in the supermarket, it's sold for, I can't remember, the price used to be here before, but I think it's not up to 3,000. I don't think it's even up to 2,500. Yes. The next thing I like to use on my face and my body in general is this Nivea Refreshingly Soft Moisturizing Cream with jojoba oil and vitamin C. I love to use this on, in fact, this is my body lotion. This is my body lotion. For everyone who has asked me, I've always responded that this is my body lotion. I also use this as my moisturizer on my face for the most part, and also this on my body. This retails for around 2,900. If it's not up to 3,000 now with the rate of dollar. I think this might have gone up. It was around that range of 2,000 to 3,500. It wouldn't exceed that budget. The next thing I like to use on my face as well, usually at night, I think I'll have to do like my night routine, is this rose water. This rose water, I think it sells for like 700 or 1,000 naira. I can't remember how much I got it, but it's still not above that budget. So this rose water, I love rose water on my skin because I love how it makes my skin feel somehow. It's just the texture for me. I love how it lets my skin feel. It's the feel for me amongst other benefits that this has been proven to have. I love the way it lets my skin feel amazing. My scrubs. So this is my exfoliating scrub for my skin. Depending on the time of the month and where my skin is at every point in time, I rotate between these two. So this is the scent Ice, this is the acne control, and this is the fresh skin. So when I don't have a lot of breakouts and it's not that time of the month, I try to use this one. When I have breakouts, I try to use this one. That's why you see that this one isn't so far gone. I've used this, don't mind that it doesn't look as if I've used it, while this one, I'm almost out on this one. Exactly. So for the most part, I use this one and also use this one. So I use both of them interchangeably. I like that this one has salicylic acid in it. This one doesn't have any of those acids that they said is good for the skin. I don't know, but it has some things that I need. So I love these two products. They are really good and I've been using them for quite some time. If you follow me on my channel, you know that I've reviewed this before. The next one I like to talk about is this. Although I have transitioned to another sunscreen because I've used it for quite some time and I don't know how effective it is at this point again. So this is the BioBalance Skin Protection Facial Cream. This used to be my sunscreen. I think it retails for about it's been a long time, I can't remember. It was 2 something or 3 something, but it's not up to 4,000 naira. When I got this at ShopRite at a time. So this was how much it retailed for at that time. So the new additions to my skincare product will be the Cox products. The very first one will be this, which is their sunscreen that I'm still going to review on this channel. I got this for hold on, let me check. So this retails for 5,200 naira on Buy Better, but on other platforms on Instagram if you get it for way more. But these people are trusted brands that stock really authentic skincare products. That's why I recommend them. But they're always sold out. So this retails for 5,200 naira, and I think is one of the most affordable sunscreens I've seen. I've seen sunscreens that have gone as high as 30,000, 28,000, and the rest of them. I think this is one of the most affordable sunscreens I have had to buy or use, and it's quite effective. I'm going to review it on my channel and I'll show you how it goes. The last and not the least for me on this channel will be this. This now is like my holy grail and my go-to. It is the Cox Advanced Nail 96 Mucin Power Essence. It's a Korean brand, and I love the fact that before I buy anything, actually I was supposed to buy the advanced all-in-one cream that looks like this, but after seeing the review, I think that this would better suit my skin because I have oily skin to some extent. So that's why I tell people, before you buy any product, don't buy products because an influencer or a YouTuber or any person recommends it. You have to try it first. So I tried this out for I think a couple of weeks and I loved the effect on my skin, and I also had to do a lot of research for myself, and I found out that rather than getting the all-in-one, because I wanted to get the all-in-one product from this brand as well, I decided to go with this because I feel like the review from the company will best suit my skin type. So this one has 96% of the mucus from the snail, so it's called mucin. The mucus from the snail, it has 96% concentration of that, while the all-in-one cream has about 92%, and amongst other things. But that one, I might break out with that one and other things that were also stated there in the review. But with this one, I'm bound not to break out or have adverse side effects. So that's why I went for this one. and this one retails for about 6,200 naira on the Buy Better platform as well. So these are the skincare products that I basically use for my skin. I try to use things that are not only affordable, but they are nice regardless. And so if you're looking for something that is quite affordable, oh, I forgot to add, this one I got it for, I know that it's not up to 5k, it's not up to 5k, so you have to try that out. So these I feel are quite affordable for some people. They are very affordable skincare products that are bound to give you results, especially. But like I'll tell everybody, regardless of the amount of skincare products you use, if you do not take care of your skin inwardly, it will not give you what you want. I'm not going to talk about drinking water, because I mean, drinking 3 liters of water in a day is not even good. Everything should be done in moderation. But taking care of your skin for as little as always letting your hair touch your face, especially if you have very sensitive skin, might actually have adverse effect on your skin. And changing your pillowcase, ensuring that your hands are not always on your face, ensuring that your handkerchief is not in the same compartment with money in your purse. I see a lot of people who put money in their handkerchief. I see a lot of people who in their handbags, especially for ladies, your handkerchief and then money and other things are all rubbing together, and at the end of the day you still use that same handkerchief to clean your face. So it leaves a lot of germs and everything that would actually make you break out on your skin. So these are a few tips that I feel that might be necessary to you, and I thought to bring it to you. So if you enjoyed this video, kindly give it a thumbs up. Yes, please subscribe to this channel, and I'll be sure to bring more your way. I still remain Z, and until next time, it's all love from here.